Welcome back to the Physics Point. We're talking about center of mass and the balance point. If you recall from our last edition, we balanced this irregular shaped object right underneath its center of gravity, and we marked it with a mark there, as you can see on the pipe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the object right here where the center of mass was, and we want to know which piece would have the greater mass. This piece here on the left or this piece here on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this now. We have now cut the object into two pieces. This is the left-hand piece. We're going to place it on our scale and see if, and record its mass. So we'll call this object number 1. And we're in grams, so we'll place it on there. And this one is 73 grams. So object number 1, the one that was on the left-hand side, is 73 grams. Here's object number 2, the one that was on the right-hand side. It is 57.5 grams. So even though the objects were in balance, the two pieces have different mass because of the distribution of the mass. The object that has the lighter mass, it was farther away from the balance point. The object that has the larger mass, most of the mass was closer to the balance point. And so there is this give and take, if you would. And so when we're balancing something, if it is not uniform, then the two pieces can have different mass. Something to think about, and we always want to be thinking about the world, ladies and gentlemen. Please be curious. Stay tuned next time when we have a brand new edition of the Physics Point.